Thanks for watching. My name is Dan Macmillan. I'm a music teacher here at Strum Rock School. If you enjoyed that free lesson, stay tuned. There's going to be more free stuff coming. And if you're a local in the Los Angeles area, you can join us at our music school in North Hollywood. Just Google Strum Rock School. We've got tons of great reviews on Google, so I invite you to check us out.